Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy 4th of July to everyone who celebrates it. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Pull apart cheeseburger sliders. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: gochujang, pepperoncini, tomato ketchup, low sodium soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, garlic, fresh parsley, sweet chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, sesame seed, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, ground beef, mayonnaise, and I'm using sweet Hawaiian dinner rolls. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make the sauce. We're going to put some mayonnaise in this cup, this measuring cup, some ketchup. You're going to add some sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, and then we're going to grate up some fresh garlic in this. Now we're going to mix all of this up together, and then we're going to set this to the side. Thoroughly mix it up.
I see you're now going to use the ground beef to put together the burgers.
Yes, I have it in a skillet here, and we got to saute it up. And by the way, I forgot to add that you need also butter and shredded Parmesan cheese.
So this burger is going to be like an Asian fusion burger almost. Like a traditional cheeseburger and an Asian dish put together almost.
Yeah, with a little kick to it, little spice.
Yeah, actually, it'll look like it'll be extra spicy, actually.
Not really.
But we will see.
Now I'm going to add the gochujang. Garlic, onion powder, black pepper and salt to taste, Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to mix up all of this together, and we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, everybody, make sure you don't forget that the ingredients will be in the description box below the video. And also, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure you pay attention to that description box below, because we've been getting certain viewers on our TikTok and Instagram that's been saying they don't know where the instructions are for the recipes. It's really just very simple. It's in the description box right under the YouTube video. And this is more for our YouTube, for our TikTok subscribers and Instagram subscribers.
Now, the next thing is we're going to do is, in this bowl, put some melted butter, the chopped garlic, the Parmesan cheese, and the parsley. And we're going to mix this up.
Interesting. It has 3 different cheeses. Okay. Wasn't expecting it.
Then we're going to set this aside.
So you're assembling the burgers now, huh?
Well, I have the rolls here, and I have a serrated knife. I have this on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and we're going to cut the top off. Then we're going to ease the top off. Now first thing is we lined it with the bottom with cheddar cheese.
You could also use pickles in this dish too if you like, right?
Yes, if people don't want pepperoncini, they can use pickles. Now we're going to put the ground beef on top of the cheese.
Would you say this is about an hour long to do?
50 minutes, 20 to 30 to assemble and 20 to cook in the oven.
Okay, so it's generally almost an hour.
Now we layer the sauce, some sauce.
This is what they call a special sauce. This is a pretty simple dish anybody can make. It's not complicated at all.
It's a good 4th of July dish also. And now we're going to put the pepper jack cheese. Now we're going to put the pepperoncini on. Now we put the top on. Press it down. Then the next thing is we put this butter and Parmesan cheese on top.
Garlic butter and Parmesan cheese?
Yes. Now the next thing is we're going to sprinkle some sesame seed on top.
Gives it that fast food appearance, you know?
And the next thing is we're going to take some foil and cover the top of it for about 10 minutes in the oven. And after 10 minutes, we're going to take it off and take the foil off and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. I have my oven set to 375 degrees. There you have it. Pull apart cheeseburger sliders. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Hit that like button. Bye.